It's Thursday, and that means we are back in Nutrition Educator Lynn Matava's kitchen. Today, Lynn shows us some easy ways we can get our kids involved in the kitchen as well. Check it out.
Many of the habits that we form as children stay with us for a lifetime. It's important to offer kids fruits and veggies and encourage them to try them, and one of the best ways we can do this is to get them involved in the kitchen. Today I have a couple easy snack activities you can make with your kids at home. I have a coworker who calls these Snacktivities, and I really love that. And these are things that you can get your children in the kitchen doing even at a very young age. So the first thing we're going to do is make something that we call a strawberry s'more. And this couldn't be more simple. Basically, we're just taking 2 graham crackers. We're going to slice up a strawberry. And if you have little kids at home, you can tell them, or you can give them a plastic knife, and they can chop and do this themselves. When we do this in classrooms with SnapEd, one of the greatest things to watch is how every child approaches slicing the strawberry differently. Some people will have, nice little round circles. Some people will have strips. Some of the children chop them into squares. Some of them just macerate the strawberry all together. But they really go at it their own way, and it gives them a little bit of autonomy. It gives them, some pride in what they're doing, and then it also makes them want to try what they're eating. So all I've done here is slice the strawberry. Going to put a little dollop of vanilla yogurt. You could certainly use a different flavor yogurt. I'm using Greek because it's a little thicker. And then we're just going to layer these berries in there wherever you like. Put the other piece on. Putting it on a cute little picnic napkin, and then there we have it. We have a strawberry s'more, something that a child of any age can make almost. A 3-year-old could help do this at home, and then they would be excited to try our fresh local strawberries that we have today. The next thing that I'm going to show you, another super easy thing that your children could do at home, and this could be something that could even be done in advance. We're going to make a parfait. So I've got one of the small ball jars here, or the canning jars. Just putting some yogurt in the bottom, and then you're just gonna let your child layer whatever they want. They could put some granola in here, slice up some strawberries and throw them in here. You could even let them do a layer of a low sugar jam or something, just for a difference in texture. There's no right or wrong way to do this. We'll do another strawberry. They could even crush up some of those graham crackers we were using before and put them in there. And of course, right now, strawberries are in season. And whenever something's in season, it's usually more affordable because there's much more of it in supply. They're local here right now. They are delicious, they're fresh, they have higher nutrients, they haven't been in a truck, which is also great for our environment because it's not being traveled across many states to get here. So we're using less fossil fuels. There's just so many things that are win-win about using local food when we can. It's just so delicious. Plus it supports our local farmers and our local economy. And that's that. Just like that, we've made a couple snacktivities that you and your child can do at home. I still remember many of the healthy snacks my own mother did with me when I was little, and it's just really a fun thing to do as a family. So get your kids in the kitchen, help them develop some healthy habits and memories that will last a lifetime.